Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and protecting your data. Make sure the Realme C11 2021 has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Interruptions during an update can brick the phone. Once powered, back up photos, contacts, and documents to cloud or PC so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Then connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to download the update quickly and avoid mobile data limits. This prevents failed downloads and conserves battery. You now fetch the update from Settings. Open Settings, go to Software Update, and let the phone check for the latest build. This queries Realme servers for your model. Once an update appears, read the release notes to understand fixes and changes, then tap Download. Make sure you have sufficient free storage. The installer will verify integrity before prompting Install. If you see a progress bar, do not power off. The phone will reboot automatically to apply system files safely. You finish by confirming the new version and checking core apps. After the reboot, go to About Phone to verify the build number and security patch level. Open key apps to ensure they function. If something seems off, clear app caches or reinstall the affected app. If the update failed or the device won't boot, try the update again from Settings or use Recovery Mode to apply a local OTA from internal storage after freeing at least 2 GB. If problems persist, contact Realme support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.